Alright, here we go. Got another 3-box break of the Topps Prime, Topps Platinum, and Topps Magic for Bolt Fan Cards on eBay. It's going to be the serial number, so I'm going to show you guys the serial numbers. This one's number 10. You guys can remember that. There you go. That's the Prime. It's all sealed up. There's a little, let's let you guys know it's sealed. Alright. The Platinum. Serial number ends in 6-1. Platinum's all sealed. Topps Magic. This one is, there it goes, 6-1 as well. And that one's all sealed up. Right here's one of the little Topps things. Right there. Alright. Alright, I'm going to break each one of these individually. And I'll have them posted up and I'll send you guys some links. Alright, good luck to everybody. And again, the serial numbers were 10 for the Prime, 61 for Platinum, and 61 for Magic. Thanks.